so many experts and artists from around the globe. We are proud to host for the first time these 3 Japanese art disciplines, bonsai, ikebana, and suiseki, featured in one grand exhibit at SM. So I'm sure everyone is really excited to view the collections and learn a lot from our experts in the series of demos, thank you, and workshops this weekend. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Bobby, my friend and neighbor, the Philippine Bonsai Society, the Natural Stone Society of the Philippines, and Ikebono, Ikebana Society of Manila for helping us make this show possible, and to the PBSI, thank you for partnering with SM Malls all over the country. This is not the only show. We will have many, many more in all SM Malls nationwide.
This is the goal for all of us, nature lovers, portraying the beauty of God's creations through our God-given passion and creativity. Ikinobo is the origin of Ikebana. In the Rokakudo Temple, as called the Navel of Kyoto, where it all started, a monk living in a hut by the pond, started doing these floral offerings to the deities. That's where the term Ikinobo came from.